Now, just yesterday, I did a report about massive layoffs in the tech sector for last year. And it was reported that an average of 1,600 persons in tech were getting the pink slip daily to kick off this year, and that 37,000 tech jobs were lost last year from November 2022 to this January, from just 3 companies, Amazon, Meta, and Salesforce. Well, it looks like we have a big new leader of the pack. Maybe they saw my report and said we can do a little bit better because Microsoft this Wednesday morning just announced it's letting go of 10,000 employees as the software maker braces for slower revenue growth. That's right, Microsoft said today that it's letting go of 10,000 persons through March 31st as the software maker prepares for slower revenue growth. The company is also taking in a $1.2 billion charge in the fiscal second quarter, which will result in a negative impact of 12 cents to earnings per share. Now, rising prices have led the way for companies to become more careful about their tech spending, therefore hurting prospects for tech stocks, and Microsoft and its peers obviously taking notice, especially when it comes down to the bottom line. Back in January, Microsoft said it will trim less than 1% of its staff, and then in October it confirmed an additional round of job cuts that reportedly affected fewer than 1,000 workers. But now, 10,000 jobs on the chopping block following the trend of big hurt and big tech. And what was the future outlook that spooked the board? Microsoft calling for 2% revenue growth in the fiscal second quarter, which would mark the slowest rate since 2016. So there you have it. Add those figures to the list of big job losses at big tech this year alone: Amazon, Meta, Salesforce, and now Microsoft. Is this the end of the big layoffs, or will the job losses continue? An interesting question and an answer that will have us all paying attention to those big tech headlines in the next few weeks and months. It's going to be interesting. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.